Welcome. Today, we're exploring Timeline GPT from Proggio. This AI tool helps you turn ideas into complete project timelines in seconds. We'll show you how to create a project, edit your timeline, save it, use AI suggestions, and access full features for registered users. First, navigate to www.proggio.com. Timeline GPT is right on the homepage. No clicks are needed to start. We will test Timeline GPT by giving it the following prompt. We are creating a 3-week onboarding project for a new sales manager. There are separate work streams for HR setup, systems and tools access, and sales training. We'll add a kickoff meeting at the start and a milestone review at the end. Dependencies between tasks will also be included, along with any items that need manager approval. After entering the prompt, click the up arrow icon at the bottom of the chat to let the AI start building your timeline. Watch as the AI generates your timeline live. Work streams, tasks, subtasks, milestones, and dependencies appear one by one. The timeline builder is on the left, where your project structure appears. The chat window is on the right, showing each step the AI takes. You can watch your project come together in real time. Every task, subtask, milestone, and dependency is added sequentially. Let's wait a few seconds while Timeline GPT works on generating our request. It usually only takes a moment to complete. After the timeline is created, you can edit and refine your project, rename tasks, change durations, move items, or add new activities. For example, let's add a description to a task. You can also ask the AI to refine your plan. For example, type add a new work stream for post-onboarding follow-up, including a 30-day check-in and performance review. The AI will create the requested workstream along with relevant tasks and subtasks. Another AI tool you can use is Proggio.ai, which works directly inside your timeline. Hover over the timeline under any empty space that does not contain a task. A block will appear to add a task, and the block has 2 icons inside it, a plus for manual tasks and a stars icon for AI suggestions. Click the stars icon and Proggio.ai will suggest relevant tasks. If you don't like the first suggestions, click Regenerate, type a text prompt, or click a suggested task to add it. You can also choose Add a subtask to the last created task for subtasks under a parent task. To add a new workstream, scroll to the bottom of your workstream list and click the stars icon labeled Suggest Workstreams. Click a suggestion to add it. Then, you can add a task to the last created workstream. These options appear after closing the AI chat window. AI suggestions help spark ideas, and you can refine the timeline manually for precision. When your timeline is ready, click Save Project. Create a Proggio account by entering your email and password. You'll be logged in immediately and your project will be saved. Don't forget to verify your account. Open the email from Proggio and click the verification link. Once registered, users get access to more powerful features. You can upload project files, including images, Excel files, and Gantt charts, and expand them using AI. For example, we're going to use an image of a Gantt chart for a website redesign project and type Add a new work stream for content creation, including keyword research, copywriting, and approvals. Let's wait a few more seconds while Timeline GPT processes our request. As you can see, the project was created and the work stream I asked for was added, along with the subsequent tasks. If you want to view your uploaded files, simply navigate to the project properties by clicking the eye icon next to the project name. In the first tab, you will see all attached files to this project, including your uploaded file. You can also invite team members, manage multiple work streams, and use all of Proggio's project planning tools. That's Timeline GPT. It turns your ideas into actionable project timelines in seconds. Experiment with clear prompts, Use AI suggestions and refine your timeline manually for best results. Try it today and accelerate your project fulfillment with Proggio. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.